Renee and I were only taking $200 a month out of the business. So we were living on basically nothing. We lived in the store. We were young, so we were healthy and young and vital, and we didn't need much money. I mean, we lived in the store, so we had our rent taken care of. We had food at the store. We could eat. We didn't. What else? We didn't need money. We didn't have. We drove mopeds around, so we didn't have a car. Bicycles. So that was enough back then. And then when Whole Foods opened up, when we got to a bigger location, and a bigger and better location, and partnered up with that other natural food store, which brought a lot of new knowledge in, that's when the store took off. And I suppose we got lucky. I mean, we opened Austin's a great town, and we opened the best store. We opened one of the first natural food supermarkets ever opened in the world. We were lucky because the timing was right. People were ready for that.